Me and Gagan resting. They are going to check viewpoint. We'll go in like 2 minutes. He needs sleeps after Rose driving. How was the Rose driving? Mini heart attacks.
I'm not afraid of her driving.
Me too.
It was her motions. That was
That too,
scary.
road was like very full of potholes.
Pathholes, not portholes.
Potholes, no. That is pothole, bro. Isn't it? Lol. Now we are in a viewpoint, guys, and I would like to give you one tip that you should not go for travel with long nails, because then this is what happens. Like, where is the camera, bro? Here. See, I broke. This is my second nail that got broke, literally.
Yeah, nice.
So you should not come with. You should not go with like long nails, okay? Literally broke my second nail. Focus.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ booking.com
Not visible. Anyway, don't come with long nails. Now, Gagan is drinking his coffee.
The first coffee.
This is your first
yesterday.
coffee. Oh, you didn't have tea there. Oh, first coffee. He's watching reels.
Watching reels or looking rooms.
Okay. Oh, okay. They all three are looking for stay. Our next stay. They're working. We both are
They are
chilling.
busy in checking rows. They are busy in checking reels. What to do?
Yeah, we are planning. You know, we both are planning.
Yeah,
what
we
to
are
make
planning
our-
what reels are to be done.
Yeah.
How to do.
And they are planning for the stay. So our thing is much important actually.
Yeah.
Because
See,
we
this
have
is
to go-
good. Returning back from a trip and really just memory now.
Yeah, so we're gonna plan that and then we're gonna make that.
You can have it 900 one off. In Bandra it is 750, 762. 150 rupees down. One room.
It's a beautiful butterfly. Pretty.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 1, 2.
Okay, bye. അയ്യോ ഒരുമിച്ച് അയ്യോ നെക്സ്റ്റ്
We're gonna buy what is a thumbs up now for Thursday. Sprite.
സ്പ്രൈറ്റ്
Take.
That is okay, no. Bisleri water bottle is there. Bisleri nahi hai. Take this only then. Bindu, no.
It is nice.
No, it's not that. You took there only now. So bad, it's not good.
ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದೈತನ ಜ್ಯೂಸು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಸೋಡಾ ಇರೋದು ಬೇಡ ಸೋಡಾ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದೈತೆ ಕುಡಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ ಒಂದು
They're
ಗ್ಲಾಸ್
gonna drink this, guys.
You're not gonna drink this, you're gonna drink this juice in that bottle.
Yeah,
She
whatever.
don't know. Vlogger don't have knowledge. What to do?
This is pomegranate, no? Pomegranate juice.
No.
Yeah, what is
There is
it?
not pomegranate.
It is pomegranate.
That's not
There is not pomegranate. That is kokum. So only it is different only. So only I'm asking to give them one glass.
Looks like that only, bro. See, it looks like that.
Bro, in which angle it is looking like
It is
pomegranate for
looking
you?
like that. See. Okay, whatever it is, they're gonna
The
drink.
knowledge too. The vlogger is not having knowledge.
No.
At least mind one time. For every sentence, you're missing one word. Okay.
Give review now. How it is? It's good, yeah?
Nice, sweet. Try it. Kokum juice.
Try.
Raposa, you get mixed, no? Like rose milk mixed with it. ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋದಾ?
ചെറിയുടെ ജ്യൂസ് അല്ലേ അല്ലേ ആ കേക്കിൽ വെക്കുന്ന ചെറി.
എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ ഇതിനകത്ത്?
Is it like?
Now we are going to the stay place, guys.
Excuse me, let me tell you something.
Man, we are scared. Stop the song. No, stop the song.
ಬಲೆ ಬಲೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ನಾವು ಬೇಟೆ ಆಡುವ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ನಾವು ಬೇಟೆ
No. We'll dance with them. Go, do.
You can dance with them. Hey, wait, I'll put there. No. Lyrics are written here.
It's not the net right, I guess. We are heading to stay place.
This you can dance on highway.
കാലാണോ നിനക്ക് വലുത്?
ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದೇ ಇದು ತುಂಗ ನಿವಾಸ ಅದು ಭದ್ರಾ ನಿವಾಸ ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ಇದೆ
ನಿವಾಸ್ ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ನಿವಾಸ್.
ಸಾಕು ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಹಾಕು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ.
So we have reached the staying place and now we're gonna ask.
And the stay is next to temple itself. It's nice.
Good. So we're gonna go check out the places that are there here. So guys, so we found a room and we checked down in, but I didn't got time to vlog there. So now I didn't take video of there in the room. After coming back, I'll take. Now we are going to some waterfall. This is Reshma. Oh, sorry. Abul. Now we're heading to waterfalls, and I think Rose is angry because we did late. I mean, I did late. To cover up that time, Rose is going like fast and furious, guys. He's driving like fast and furious now. Anyways, the view is so nice. Huh? It's gonna rain, I guess, and Reshma's dream got to waterfalls with rain. So we're gonna visit there, then I'll shoot. Rose off driving. have parked our car here because we can't take it more further because the road is full bad, like more further, not here. So we have to walk 1 kilometer or something. Till that we have to walk 1 kilometer or something for the waterfall, and I'll show you there. So we're gonna trek to that place, one kilometer or something. Huh? So we're gonna trek there and then we'll go for waterfall. We might get late for the other places, but we'll enjoy that. Rest are coming there. Then we'll go. I'm recording this from my tripod. It's coming good. Yeah. Now that uncle is guiding us way now, and we all are going.
I'm saying, like that gives the lad and gives.
Him getting excited about the waterfall. Damn bro, super pretty.
Guys, behind the scenes vlogger is actually like this.
I
No, I
liked it.
can't go there and get it.
You didn't throw, I saw. Give back.
It's because she rolled
Wait,
a stone
see
off
the video,
her.
check it.
No, you give back.
Hey,
I want
if you
red
have,
ant,
take
red
it.
ant.
300. Oi, oi.
I think you started. Give my stone. Give my stone. Give my stone. Hey, Rahul, tell him to give that stone, bro. Rahul, tell him to give that.
He'll give.
I want now, no.
Seriously, you guys are in a relationship or what? Why you are getting angry at him for everything? എനിക്കിപ്പോ നല്ല ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഈശോയോട് ചോദിക്കാൻ പോവാ
No, we are not.
10 rupees is less. He said he don't have change.
While coming, ask him to give.
Keep with you.
Give this one and
So
throw
guys, we have reached the waterfall after walking for like 1.5 kilometers. Finally, I think it's kind of starting to rain. Can you see the clouds? But I think it will be awesome when we'll be playing in the waterfall and then it's raining. Let's see.
Hi friends, today we are going on Sani.
It started raining, guys. We can't enjoy properly, but we'll see.
Vlogger
Hi guys,
How was it? How was it, Mahi? How was it?
I'm feeling cold. That was good.
actually this is the position.
I'll go back. It has become so dangerous, guys. See? You can't see anything. It's fully. Come back! Come back! Come back! Have to leave from. Oh my God! You can't even see anything. It's fully drawn. Come back! Damn, bro! The water water has come still here. You can't do it. Okay guys, we came out of the
Waterfall. She's not able to talk.
yeah, that is all. It was so good.
Our
and
vlogger
scary.
mouth got blocked due to various reasons. One of the
Shivering.
main reason is shivering.
Yeah, one,
Due to
not
cold.
one of one, only one reason. That is why.
Another reason, Leech gave a kiss to her just now. And she didn't even realize that
Yeah,
thing.
he saved bro. He saved me.
Yeah, you
From
should
the-
treat me for that.
One coffee for you.
No, I don't want a coffee. I want two yesterday night what I took juice, the same juice. I want 2 packets. That is enough for me.
Sorry. So now we are going back to some other sport maybe, or maybe going back to
Going to another similar river, but it's a Choda one.
Chota one.
Yeah, not big river, small one.
Small one.
Let's go and let's catch there.
Yeah.
Until then you can watch us, no issue.
Watch us doing what walks. This is Rahul. Rahul.
It's Rahul Jyotish alias introvert.
He won't talk. Okay, I'm sitting in
Actually, he won't talk. If he starts talking, he won't stop.
Yeah, that is also there. He's the camera shy, as I said before. And those two are walking there. We'll catch up with them and we'll catch up with you guys in the next part. You want to say something?
Okay, thank you, bye.
After rain, see the view, guys. It's so beautiful. It's cloud or fog?
Fog mostly, not cloud, because it rained heavily, right? It
That
has rained heavily and it has formed this fog.
Yeah,
Nice to see.
it's so
And
beautiful.
wait and watch for the tomorrow morning. It's going to be more awesome than this.
Yeah, we're gonna go Netravati tomorrow. This is all fog. Damn, so pretty. This much we walked from this way. And there are so many leeches, bro. Like literally so many we got. We are still, I think still it's there on our body. We just can't see.
Our body.
See?
I'm feeling
He's
on it.
picking off the leeches right now.
Again. Really?
It's there, huh? Blood is coming. Okay. Leeches effects. Oh my god, I think that one sucks so much. That's why be careful.
ಅವ್ಳ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಈಗ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು
What?
on your hand it had grown so much now that reach
Yeah, it was
for
big.
blood for you blood was not coming.
I don't know, that one was small one no, that you had in your foot. But he had the most, bro. Like in one foot he had like fucking 3 leeches and he wouldn't even realize it. I mean, he didn't realize.
We won.
Yeah, even I didn't feel the whole time. First I got it, then he got it, then he got it.
Yeah.
They didn't got bro till now. So beautiful. See, it's looking like this. If heaven is there, this is how it looks. If heaven is there, this is how it will look, right? I hope it looks like this.
Come during November in Coorg. That's the best place you can ever visit. The complete Nisargadama will be filled with birds. They shift from one place to another and come to.
He's only travel guide. You need people like him for your travel to help you out.
And you need one vlogger like this who don't even know to create content but is a vlogger.
To capture memories. Okay?
Yeah. So now we'll give content.
Now we are going back to that place and we'll see in the next location.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
See, this is what we were talking about. This is leech. Vlog, she's doing it. Yeah, went off. This is what you get, guys. Is it in my foot? What is that? No, it's not. Be careful. I'll show you leeches effects, guys. Leeches side effects. Side effects of leeches. I got one here. This is how it looks. Okay, we came back to our stay place. We didn't go to the second place because the time we came back from that place, it was already too late. So we came back here and now we're gonna drink coffee, then go back in room and have bath, then come back here and gonna eat food and then sleep, and then tomorrow Netravati and peacock. Yeah, this guy. Don't do too much. You're in so many videos now. No use of hiding face. Say something. Say something. Idiot. Reshma. Oh, sorry.
I always call her Reshma.
She's watching you. This guy is always extrovert as hell. He's gonna cook maybe something. I don't know. He's in his own world. It's like he came solo trip in group trip. Right? Now we're gonna eat. I mean drink coffee. Right. Our coffee is finally here. Oh, you gonna drink milk? Why you drinking milk? Why you drinking milk?
ഒരു 10-15 മിനിറ്റ് കൂടെ നാട്ടുകാരായിട്ട് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവരുടെ വീട്ടിൽ പോയി അവിടെയുള്ള കൃഷിപ്പണി എല്ലാം ചെയ്ത്
Finally our veggies and coffee came.
തുടങ്ങി
Now we'll eat.
വെറുതെ ഇരിക്കുന്നത്
It's raining and Gagan wants to go a temple that probably I am not allowed for wearing these clothes.
Actually, they're telling she is not allowed,
Yeah.
but we'll see what will happen.
If
So
it's
I'm
not
wearing
allowed,
a lungi.
Yeah.
For lungi, I'm wearing hoodie, which is completely both are not matching, but no other options.
it's raining and we removed our shoes also. Like we are walking bare feet to that temple. There here is Rahul. They both are not visible only. Well, we'll run to the temple now. He is only the one who is looking like actually going to temple. There are people coming out of the temple, I guess. Going inside the temple.
Until that table only, from there you should off your camera.
Okay. I think I have to off my camera, so I'll close it. Okay, we went here. He saw his aarti done. So they didn't allow us. I mean, the cameras are not allowed inside, but you can shoot here and all.
Huh?
You can shoot here down, but not inside. And we went there, saw it. It was good. Did you enjoy our aarti?
Yeah, it was good. We'll go, we'll show you the place and we'll come out.
So we'll go back and have our dinner. Me and Rahul just came to what is that word? Accompany him.
Yeah.
He is a religious person. We both aren't. So we just came to accompany him. Which side? So I was going there only. No. Okay, now Reshma will tell you what
we came back.
we came back.
Got a great news from Reshma. She was like, she asked ChatGPT.
No, we'll let her speak for that. Okay, what did you? Just say no. Just say it's fine. Just say what did you charge GPT? Tell her it's fine. You can say this. Okay, say. Just say.
I said to ChatGPT that today I walked for 1.5 kilometers, but I was so tired. So will I be able to do netra?
What did ChatGPT say?
Use glucose.
So
I'm going to buy glucose.
they are buying glucose for that now. For the trek, tomorrow's trek. This is insane, bro. Now we came back and we're gonna have our dinner and then we'll go sleep and then I'll continue tomorrow's walk after showing you room because I didn't show right from morning, so I'll show that. This is what we ordered, guys. And
So
we're
guys,
gonna-
we have ordered paddu. We thought to have chapati or else we thought to have temple food.
and they both are eating ice cream without us. She's in shock.
Come have.
Take
a bite.
now what I'm full
Have a
She
bite.
made it
What's
for
there
us.
in having a bite?
All thanks to her. Now we're gonna eat.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಫೋನ್ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
That is bull, guys.
That is bull. That's not bull, that's ox.
Okay, that is ox. We feed banana to that ox.
ಹಾಕೊಂತೀರ
And I think it's more hungry. Me and Gagan are going to eat ice cream because they had without us now, so we will also go and take ice cream now.
So we are going with our new partner. For her, I am new partner.
Yeah.
For me, she is new partner.
Ice cream partners now. Rahul ditched me, no, that's why.
Yeah.
Just kidding, guys. We'll go and have ice cream now from that shop. Now we're gonna
What do you wanna have?
ice cream. Which one you're taking?
Chocolate is there.
I'll go with vanilla.
This is one of the style.
Has become old guy now. What are you doing? That is you. Hey, you will hit that guy. Don't do. Yeah, enough. Come. Come.
Which one are you?
Frog, guys. Where is it? That is frog. Jump. It's not jumping only. Okay, that is frog. We got our ice cream. I took vanilla cone. We took. What did you take, man?
There's something nuts are there.
Whatever they were eating. It's chocobar with nuts, I guess. Yeah. Now we'll sleep. I'm tired. Say bye for today.
Yeah, bye. We'll meet tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Early morning.
Yeah, early morning for Netravati.